Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am excited to take you along on a journey through history as I explore one of Dallas' most iconic landmarks, the Dallas cattle drive sculptures at Pioneer Plaza. If you have ever wondered what life was like the Old West, this larger than life exhibit will give you a glimpse into that drudge time. Let's dive in. The Dallas Cattle Drive sculptures, located in heart of downtown Dallas, depict a historic cattle drive, a practice that was a vital part of Texas economy in late 1800s. This breathtaking installation features 49 rows longhorn cattle and three trail riders on horseback, all meticulously sculptured by Robert Summers. The sculptures are spread across the Pioneer Plaza, creating a vivid scene of herd moving through the city, reminding visitors of the crucial role cattle drives played in shaping Texas. Beyond its impressive size, the Dallas cattle drive sculpture is a beautiful tribute to Texas' rich history and the bravery of the cowboys who led these drivers. From the mid 19th century, the drivers were essential for moving herds from Texas to northern states, where they could be sold at highest price. The journey was long and dangerous, and these sculptures honored the dedication and skill required to make it. Of course, no visit to the Dallas Cattle Drive sculptures is complete without snapping a few photos. Whether you want to capture the entire herd or focus on incredible details of the sculptures, there is no shortage of great photos opportunities. As you walk through the plaza, take a moment to reflect the significance of cattle drive to Texas development and how this monument encapsulates a crucial chapter of American history. Whether you are a history buff, an art lover, or just someone looking to explore Dallas, the cattle dress sculptures are absolute must see. They offer a unique blend of history and artistry, bringing to life pivotal time in Texas part. Plus, it's free, open air exhibit, so you can enjoy it at your own pace while taking in beautiful surroundings of downtown Dallas. Thanks for joining me on this adventure through the Dallas Cattle Drive sculptures. If you have ever visited or are planning to, let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring!